According to a global survey, more than 45% of the global human population is trying hard for weight reduction. Hey there viewers, welcome to another amazing video of Health Shots. The thing that stops most of the people from losing weight is the high calorie intake, as calorie intake plays an essential part in increasing a person's weight. The wish of people to lose weight without compromising on the quantity of food can be achieved by following a diet that contains as low as 0 calories. Is it really true? Is there any such food? Stay tuned till the end because in this video we are going to talk about 15 delicious foods that contains almost 0 calories. Hit the subscribe button for more awesome videos like this. Now let's get straight into the video. Number 15. Spinach. Spinach is a fiber-enriched food that is insoluble in water. It is seen that eating a cup of spinach in place of meal would help lose weight without feeling hungry, as it contains only 7 calories per cup and is high in fiber, which keeps your stomach full. Spinach is proven to be efficient in the treatment of cancer, and it helps in the maintenance of good bone health, along with a great health benefit like it helps to reduce blood sugar level in the body. Number 14. Broccoli. Broccoli is a good choice of weight loss as it contains only 34 calories per 100 grams. Broccoli contains micronutrients and phytochemicals that can help in weight loss and breakdown of fats in the body. It contains a high amount of fiber that helps in the formation of more bulk and fewer calories in the body. Broccoli contains indole 3-carbinol, which is proven to be helpful in reducing the chances of tumor in the body. Moreover, it can help in improving the health of bones and teeth due to the presence of vitamin C and vitamin K in it. Number 13. Carrots. Carrots are helpful in losing weight as it is a low-calorie vegetable. A cup of carrot sticks contain as low as 50 calories in it. The presence of vitamin A in carrots is helpful in losing weight as vitamin A is being used by our body to interact with our fat cells and influence them. One of the top health benefits of carrot is its capability to improve eye health and protection from prostate and lung cancer. Other health benefits of carrot includes boosting immunity of human body, helping in loosening the blood vessels and improving the sugar level of the body. Number 12. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a healthy food that contains just 25 calories in a cup. It is being used as a substitute for high-calorie foods. It is also enriched in fiber and make the digestion process slow and keeps your stomach full. It contains choline, which helps in synthesizing DNA and the development of the brain. Number 11. Lettuce. Lettuce is a daily routine food and is being eaten by thousands of people daily in salads and sandwiches. Lettuce contains just 14 calories per 100 grams. It aids in lowering cholesterol and blood pressure, which improves the overall health of the body. Number 10. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contains a limited number of calories, and a single tomato can have 3 to 22 calories in it. Tomatoes are enriched in water and fiber, and it's proven to be helpful in reducing body fat. Its fair use can help diabetic patients by maintaining insulin and blood sugar level in the body. Number 9. Cucumber. A cucumber contains almost 96% of water in it and known as the most water-enriched food. It consists of high fiber amount and it is believed to be a source of lots of vitamins. It is low-calorie food and high in fiber, and in that way it can help you lose weight. It includes cucurbitacin nutrients that helps in prevention of carcinogenic cell reproduction. Number 8. Cabbage. Cabbage is a low-calorie food used for weight loss and healthy nutrients as it only contains 22 calories in each cup. Cabbage is widely used by mixing in the salad. The presence of vitamin C in the cabbage helps in boosting the immune system of the body and lowers the risk of heart attack and cancer. Number 7. Grapefruit. It is a citrus fruit that is full of nutrients and full of fiber. An average sized grapefruit contains only 52 calories that helps to reduce calorie intake, which eventually helps in weight reduction. It contains vitamin C and potassium, which protects the heart by keeping the cholesterol and blood pressure level low. Number 6. Arugula. Arugula is commonly known as cruciferous vegetable that provides plenty of health benefits. It has a limited amount of carbs with only 25 calories per 100 gram. It helps in improving bone strength and immunity as it is enriched in vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin K. Number 5. Celery. 1 cup of celery contains only 14 calories and contains a high amount of fiber and water. which helps in digestion process and keeps the stomach full by providing all the nutrients needed by the body. The water in it helps to prevent the dehydration issue in humans. It helps to improve the condition of the kidney and contains those nutrients that prevents cancer. It also has other health benefits like good eye health and heart health. Number 4. Kale. Kale is a high bulk food and low calorie food as well. It only contains 8.75 calories per cup. It helps the body in fighting oxidating harms caused by free radicals. Health benefits of kale includes improvement of immunity, blood clotting prevention, and improvement of bone health. Number 3. Apples. This is rightly said that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple is a fruit that is one of the most popular fruit in the world and contains only 57 calories per 125 grams, which is essential for a person who's looking for weight loss. Eating apple is good for blood and it lowers the blood cholesterol level as well as the blood sugar level. That is also a beneficial thing for diabetic patients. Other health benefits of apple includes prevention of cancer, strengthening bone health, and it can also help treat asthma. Number 2. Berries. Berries contains a high amount of fiber and nutrients that made them on the list of healthiest food you can eat. 1 cup of berries can contain around 70 calories. It is loaded with antioxidants that help prevent the damage of your cells and make your body and immune system strong. There are a lot of types of berries, but almost all are equally important for weight loss. Out of them, raspberry contains the highest amount of fiber, that is 6.5 grams per 100 grams. Berries can help decrease the inflammation in the body and aids in controlling blood sugar level and blood pressure. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic is one of the most efficient ingredient which can be used to reduce the fat in the body. Garlic basically boosts your system and energy that eventually burns the calories, which are higher than your daily intake. Garlic helps in weight loss due to its appetite suppressant quality that makes you feel full, thus preventing you from eating in excess. Garlic helps in combating cold and can reduce blood pressure levels. In some cases, it is proven to lower the cholesterol level in the body, thus preventing heart diseases. Use garlic with water and lemon juice every morning to see better and effective results. Although there is no 0-calorie natural food in this world, but these low-calorie foods, when eaten, consumes more energy to burn. Are you eating any of the above foods in your diet? Drop a comment saying the name of the food. Hit the subscribe button if you want to watch more awesome videos like this in future.